ARMY, welcome to today's video. As we already know that our BTS is busy in performing in Permission to Dance on Stage concert at SoFi Stadium LA in front of more than 50,000 ARMYs around the world. There is no doubt in this fact that our BTS has the biggest, cutest, adorable and loyal fandom in the world. ARMYs from the different countries and age groups have attended the Permission to Dance on Stage LA concert, and this thing is extremely overwhelming for BTS and other ARMYs. And in this whole scene, a grandpa was attracting everyone's attention during the concert, who had attended the concert with his ARMY wife. So we can say that they are an old ARMY couple at BTS concert. And not only this, as we all know that BTS ARMY shouts the fan chant during the concert.
김남준, 김석진, 민윤기, 정호섭, 박지민, 김태형, 전정구, BTS.
So this grandpa ARMY wants to participate in fan chant. That is why he brought a script on which all the names of 7 BTS members were written, in case he forgets the name of the members during the fan chant. And this post is shared by the other ARMYs who were sitting next to or near this couple, and this thing is really adorable. Here are some adorable tweets by some ARMYs. And when this adorable incident came into vision, other ARMYs started sharing their own stories about taking their parents and grandparents to the Permission to Dance on Stage concert. ARMYs of every age group, nationality have attended the Permission to Dance on Stage LA concert to see those beautiful moments by their own eyes, to show their incomparable love to our beloved BTS. This adorable incident of Grandpa ARMY is the live example that BTS's music has the great ability to impact people of all ages. Am I right, ARMY? And in the end, I would like to say that you ARMY must be enjoying the concert in LA with your own eyes, and other ARMYs who couldn't attend the concert like me are enjoying the concert moments shared by you through the social media. Thank you so much for sharing those moments with us.